Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Kubuntu 25.10 on VirtualBox. Okay, first go to Kubuntu official website and download. It is Kubuntu.org. Then click on download. See here we have the Kubuntu 25.10. Click on 64-bit download. See download started, go to download. See here its size is about 4.6 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded. In your case wait until download completes. See I have already downloaded. Once download is completed then open VirtualBox. If you haven't installed VirtualBox then search for my YouTube channel how to install VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating systems. Then click on new or machine and select new. Both are same to create new virtual machine. Then provide the name for the virtual machine. Name can be anything, just this is just virtual machine name. Then select the folder or location to store this virtual machine files and folders, and this is the default location. If you want some other location, click on drop down and select other. Then select the path where you have the enough space. Then select the downloaded Kubuntu ISO image. See, once we selected OS, change it to Linux OS distribution to Ubuntu OS version 64-bit and select this proceed with unattended installation. Then specify hardware. I am giving 4 gigabytes. Number of CPU equals to virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click and select settings, or select it and click on settings, or machine and select settings. All three options are same. If you are okay with all the settings, right click and select start. Then select start with GUI, or just select it and click on start. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is try or install Kubuntu. See here we have the two options. Try Kubuntu or install Kubuntu. Try Kubuntu is for testing purpose. Install Kubuntu is permanent. Okay, I want to install permanently, so we have to click on this install Kubuntu. Before that, select the language from this list. I am going to use English United States. Internet connection, it is already connected. Then click on install Kubuntu. Select language and click on next. Select location or time zone from the globe, or you can select from this drop down like region and zone. Okay, I am going with the default, so click on next. Select the keyboard model from this list. I am going with the default, so click on next. Installation modes, see here we have 3 modes: full, normal and minimal. If you select full, all these will be selected, and if you select normal, optionally you can select, and if you select minimal, those will be gone. Okay, I am going with normal installation. Optionally, if you want to select, you can select this. If you want to download and install updates following installation, you have to select the checkbox. It is up to you. Then click on next. Whatever you want, you can select. So this is the fresh installation, so I am going to select erase disk. Then click on next. Now we have to create a setup user. I am giving user full name as Artuschools, and this is the username. This is the computer name or host name. Later also you can change it. Then provide the password for the user. Then click on next. See, these are the options that we have selected. If you want to modify any one of them, you can click on this back and you can edit, and you can come forward and you can come to the screen and select install. This is just confirmation. Click on install now. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. At the end, it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, Kubuntu has been installed on your computer. You may restart into your new system or configure using Kubuntu live environment. I want to restart, so keep the checkbox and click on to restart Kubuntu 25.10 virtual machine. Please remove the installation medium, then press enter. Okay, go to VirtualBox manager. See here, optical drive is empty. If it is not empty, click on it and then select remove disk from the virtual drive. Okay, then come to virtual machine and hit enter to reboot the Kubuntu virtual machine. Now provide the password that we have set for this user. Hit enter. Welcome center. I don't want to do anything, just close it. Now open terminal or console. Go to main application launcher. See here we have the console. Click on it to open. Now verify the version that we have installed. /etc os-release. See, we have installed 25.10. Okay. Control A. The first step after connecting to Kubuntu Linux is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update && sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, all packages are up to date. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Kubuntu 25.10 on VirtualBox. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.